Welcome to Sweet Tea Hospitality. I'm Karen Conrad, and in today's episode, we are going to cover how to create a beautiful outdoor space. We're on site in Cocoa Beach, Florida at the Beachside Bungalow, and this was definitely a challenge that we had. You know, oftentimes when we purchase a home, we're so focused on the inside of the house that we overlook the outside, and that can certainly be a problem with unexpected expense. Or you can take the approach that we did and we use that to create an opportunity to add value to the home that others missed. We wanted to make sure that we were adding to the return on investment, that we're increasing the profitability. So we're going to take you step by step through how we developed a vision for this outdoor space and created an oasis that we know our vacation rental guests are going to love. And they're going to choose this house over others for their beachside vacation. When you drive into the property, there is some rough things that we saw and we're going to work on fixing. For example, when you come in to the right, there is a really rough fence. Part of it's actually falling down. So we are going to definitely fix that. But also we had to imagine this space. We've got a large concrete area. It's a small house, so there's no doubt we've got to figure out how to create some nice outdoor spaces. We are 1 block from the beach, and so people are able to walk in like a minute and get to the beach, which is great. But then when they come back, they're going to have sand on their feet, and we need a place to rinse off. So as we are reimagining this space, our plan is to, of course, replace the fence. We are going to use the concrete stain on the concrete, create a little porch area with bamboo shades. So we've got a little seating area with a grill. And then we're going to bring in pavers in this area to create another space for people to relax and sit outside. We're going to add a shower back here with the pavers. That's going to look really nice and sort of clean up this area with the air conditioner. So it looks very rough right now, and it is rough, but I'm just so excited for us to bring some beauty into this space. There's a lot of options here, and I want to look at it so that I'm seeing with my eye that I can see the pavers and I can see the house color with it. And so I'm just opening it up and kind of closing one eye and like looking at sandstone, and I'm thinking that's a little too brown. So I want to get out of the browns. Here's cemented deal. That's got a little gray in it, but really it looks almost exactly the same color as the existing concrete, so that's not going to give me the freshness. And now I'm looking at this fresh concrete, and I'm just seeing that it goes with the pavers. It goes with the mulch, although that's going to change. It gives enough contrast to the color of the house that I think this is the one. I think it's going to look really nice with all of them together. The outdoor space was the area we spent the most money on improvements, and it was a tough decision. We want to make sure that we didn't over-invest in the outdoor spaces, yet we realized for the Beachside Bungalow to really be that vacation rental destination for people, we had to leverage the outdoor spaces and really expand the living area. So here are the breakdown of costs. The fence was $2,200. We think that we got a really good deal on this because we used the same person and group of workers to do the pavers. The pavers was by far the biggest expense item of this entire property, and it was $7,700. We really tried to do as much as we could ourselves, but we knew with pavers, the process with that was really tedious and we had to know what we're doing. So we were pretty adventurous at the beginning, thinking we can do pavers. And then as we looked into it, we realized, oh no, we do not want to do these ourselves. The next item was landscaping, and this we did a mixture. Some of the things we did ourselves, but really to get the big plants that we needed, to make sure we had the right varieties, we had a good chunk of the landscaping done by Vinicio, who actually did the pavers and the fence as well. And we spent $1,900 on landscaping. Concrete paint on the outside was $98. Really grateful Dave and Levi knocked that out. We didn't have to pay anybody to do that. The ceiling fan, $169 in the carport. And then we chose some plastic, I guess you might say, chairs. And I don't like to say that because you and I have sat on plastic that's very uncomfortable and cheap. But these chairs we got at Ace Hardware of all places, and they're super comfortable and durable. So we got 4 Adirondack chairs. I got pillows to really tie in the colors from the inside again to make sure that we are bringing that living to the outside. And that fire pit we got half price. So that whole seating area was just $465. We got chase lounges and a table that went back by the actual shed, and that we spent $279, and that's not a lot of money, but I do want to share something with you. We made sure that we got aluminum for that, and the reason is it's more durable, especially being close to the ocean. Patio table and 6 chairs, I got that at Lowe's. It's out of season, so I got a really great deal on it. It was just $879. And that was the one that we took the Rust-Oleum and made sure we went over, sprayed all of the exposed metal areas just to make sure we had that additional coverage. The outdoor shower, including Travis, who put that in for us, was just $159. You really got to check out this design. Dave did a great job with it. And then we're adding the hooks for the wetsuits and towels that's kind of close to that area, and that's just $60. So the total amount invested for the outside spaces, $13,909.